And thank you, Ansley. Okay, so what happens if you decide to get a car this Christmas, but something happens before you make that final payment? Our anchor, Lori Johnson, got to talk with the financial advisor, Sherri Goss, about what to do if that happens.
So here's a predicament. Your car is totaled, but you still owe payments. What to do? Sherri Goss with the Rosenberg Financial Group joins us now with some guidance.
So the rapid decline in used car prices is a financial risk for millions of drivers, even if they bought a new car, because it will affect their trade-in value. Roughly a third of people who finance their vehicles have negative equity on their auto loans. This is according to a survey by car marketplace CardEdge, which means their loan is larger than the value of their car. That share would amount to some 31 million of the more than 100 million auto loan accounts tallied by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Being underwater is common because a car loses value as soon as you drive it off the lot. But that 19% drop in used car prices since their peak in 2022 means more cars are now worth less than the remaining balance on the car loan, and by larger amounts. Drivers feel the consequences if they total their car or trade them in. If your car is among the growing number that got totaled in an accident or a natural disaster, you are still on the hook for any remaining loan payments. Or if you go to trade it in, your balance might be rolled over into your new car loan, or preventing you from even getting a new car. In the third quarter of this year, 24% of vehicles that were traded in had negative equity, an increase from about 15% in the third quarter of 2022. Borrowers who have negative equity when they trade in owe an average of $6,458 more than what their car is worth. About 22% owe $10,000 or more. Being underwater adds to the financial burden of owning a car. Insurance, repairs, and parking have all gone up, so more and more people are falling behind on their auto loans. This can seriously hurt your credit for years. If you have fallen behind on any type of payment, call the lender and see what they are willing to do to help you out of the situation.
Thank you so much, Sherri. And if you have a money question for Sherri, go ahead and text it to us at 478-752-1309.